Zone 1, 242 MacArthur, 12 and 13. 10-4, it's a group of juveniles in a fight. It's on the Richmond-bound train currently holding on platform 1. And should be in the trail car.
11 around. Active over code 3.
We got a patron calling in as well. 10 teenagers fighting, so it is active.
Careful. In route.
666, MacArthur, code 3.
10-4.
816 and 855 around code 3.
Code 3 in route.
We're in 789 around.
20 round.
4.
Percent.
Boy 10.
I'm going 97, but my radio on my portable is going out, so I can't transmit. I'll be staging for cover.
10-4. And for a witness calling in, currently landline, there's 10 kids trying to beat up a WF. All the juveniles. Code 33 for MacArthur.
For the victim who's out front.
Do you know the nature of the injuries?
It can be a head injury, and she's complaining of arm and legs also.
Both males, both Indian. First one's going to be black over blue, about 6'2", chubby. Second one's going to be Indian, comb over, wearing a jersey that's white, blue, and orange. Again, 6'2", and skinny.
Or 13 tonight?
Okay. 09, black female, juvenile.
10.
2205, yes. A16, current to be released from MacArthur.